guys, welcome back to another video of Carl's Garage. And I'm actually here doing my taxes today for Straight Outta Content. But I just want to give you guys a little update. I want to talk to you about this Kia. As you guys can see right here. This lady right here, I don't know if you want to be a cameraman. How you doing? So your engine failed recently?
Yes.
So her engine failed. You guys know, if you don't know, on Straight Outta Content, I give all you guys the advice on how to get your engines replaced in your Kias and and Hyundais. So she actually had an engine blow. I think it was at like 112,000
Yes,
miles.
111, a little bit over.
A little bit over 100,000 miles, her engine blew. So she was denied by a dealership here. I won't say their name, but I'm gonna do my darndest to try to get her engine replaced. So just come along with me. We're gonna take a look at the car. I actually have this headlight at home because I had two of them and I have it at home. Does it work?
Yes.
It does work? Okay.
Yes.
If I come back up here, I'll do headlight. Oh, I have a video on how to replace this. So I can replace this.
And I think we have the actual mirror in the back too.
Oh, see,
Oh,
so there you go. I can replace it. And that's just more Carl's Garage videos, but come on, walk around the car.
Okay.
So what you do, whenever you guys are trying to get your engine replaced, is this too bright?
That's fine.
Okay. Whenever you guys are trying to get your engine replaced, don't let anybody touch the car. So as soon as the engine goes bad or something starts, messing up or whatever, don't let anybody touch the car. Give me a call or just call your local dealership and see if you have the KSDS installed. Now, I think she was denied, but I'm not sure if they told her that she had the KSDS or not. Because as long as you have that on your engine, you can get it replaced. But even if you don't, there's still ways in which you can get it replaced. So we are definitely gonna try that. So is there anything you want to say? Or?
Put her on the stop.
Put her on the stop. So yes, this is live Carl's Garage, guys. Again, I'm gonna shoot home. I have all the information from the dealership. I'm gonna call them, I'm gonna call my dealership over there in Tomball and see if this car by the VIN number has the KSDS. And you can find out if it has the KSDS by calling your local Kia or Hyundai dealership. It has to be an official dealership. And you just say, hey, does my car have the KSDS? And they're gonna ask for the last 6 or 8 of your VIN number. Once they do that, if you do not have it, schedule your appointment to get it, okay? And if you are one of the people like her whose engine is already messed up, leave a comment down below and I will try to help you in your area. I can't help everybody because they are definitely denying a lot of people, but I will do my best to try to help you. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this quick video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out my main channel, Straight Outta Content. Be base. Peace.